Welcome back. As of the recording of this video, OpenAI is testing a paid version of the ChatGPT model. And so depending on where you read your business news, you will see that at some point there's going to be a wait list for this professional application. You're now looking at smartcompany.com. It is a blog that has news and information on the ChatGPT interface, and you will find that there is information about ChatGPT where you can click on a link and fill out a form to become part of the waitlist for the paid application. You will then be able to fill out this Google form in order to be considered for the trial. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Hey, this is Chapo North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video, and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.